Now we will discuss on different forms of journalistic writing news stories. News stories are mostly a result of the objective and fair reporting from the event, occurrence, phenomenon, or new development to an existing issue. Though the important question remains that how to write effective news stories. The writer needs to understand the inverted pyramid style for comprehensive and clear news writing. In the inverted pyramid style of writing, the information is organized in the descending order of importance. Thus, the most important details will be written in the first paragraph. The first paragraph of the story will provide information on what, when, where, who, why, and how of the event or occurrence. Newsreaders are considered as the readers who are in a hurry and just scan through the story. Thus, they should get the basic details of the story once they glance through the story, and then they could decide whether they would want to read the full story or not. Other paragraphs then would elaborate upon the different aspects of the story in more detail. They would contain bites of the stakeholders involved. It would also have background information. The body of the story would contain evidence, details, background, logic, and arguments. The tail of the story would contain extra information that would be related to the incident or occurrence or some kind of assessment of the journalist, context, opinions, and views. Let us discuss on editorial. Editorial is an article that is either written by the editor or senior journalist that reflects the opinion of the media house on an important issue. The issue is generally the most important news of the day. It can be related to any social, political, economic, or environmental concern. Editorial is different from usual news writing as it is a persuasive and opinionated article that seeks the readers to agree with its point of view or stand taken on the issue. Many times, media analysts use opinions expressed by the newspaper in its editorial to gauge the ideology that newspaper owners or the management supports. Editorials is high quality, opinionated articles reflecting the views of the management or board of directors of media companies. They are generally written to give the opinion and attract readership. They analyze the important news of the day, take a stand on the issue or controversy, and suggest remedial actions as well. These articles do not shy away from controversial issues and put forth a view supporting or rejecting the main idea or development. They are extremely timely in nature. Editorials are published on special pages, usually on the middle pages of the newspaper, generally called editorial pages. They are thought-provoking articles on the crucial issues and aim to engaging the readers into debate regarding the issues. They do not carry a byline and thus implying that it reflects the collective opinion of the editorial board of the newspaper. Many experts call the editorial as the heart and soul of the newspaper as it provides food for thought for the readers and at the same time reflects the newspapers or stand of the editors on a particular issue. Let us discuss on features. These are human interest stories that are different from the usual news writing. They are generally categorized as soft news as it relies on human stories and their perspectives rather than on hard facts related to the issue. They are meant for luxury reading rather than for the reader in a hurry. Their length also exceeds the news stories. They are generally longer stories of about 750 to 800 words with a more in-depth human-centric angle. They do not follow the inverted pyramid style of writing, rather follow different storytelling techniques to emotionally connect with the reader and build a rapport. They use creative and flowery language and seems to amplify a particular person, event or place. They are more close to fiction style of writing. These articles sometimes are based on the personal experience or observations of the journalists or writers. Some of the different types of feature articles are profile, spot feature, trend, live-in, travel and historical. Let us discuss on op-ed and columns. Op-eds are strong, opinionated article by a subject matter expert, authority on the issue. They are called so as they are published on the opposite side of the editorial columns. These articles reflect the opinion of the author rather than the editorial board or newspaper management. Authors are generally selected to write op-eds based on their knowledge of the particular topic and their credibility in public life. These articles generally begin with explaining the issue, then giving arguments or evidence for the opinion expressed in the body. The concluding paragraphs give a strong call for action, provide solutions or suggest remedies. The authors give solutions and actions to be taken based on their vast experience in a particular field. Their opinion may differ from the editorial board. These articles are formal in nature and provide strong logic and reasoning for their opinions based on data, information, reports, research, and statistics. It is a persuasive form of a writing. A newspaper's quality is determined based on those expressing their opinions in their op-eds. Let us discuss on investigative reports. Writing investigative reports is a tedious task as the reporters have to be extremely cautious of not inviting any kind of legal action and sticking to facts only. These reports are likely to give birth to controversy as it involves a famous personality or abuse of power or misuse of funds or some kind of corruption. Investigative reports are more difficult to write as many reporters are involved in the investigation process over months to find one such story. Thus, weaving together all the facts and interviews gathered during the process is a tough task. It often involves presenting a lot of facts and stats, but these not be presented in an objective and fair manner, and journalists should avoid making any comments. Generally, investigative stories are written in the form of a series and information is released on a bit by bit basis. The credibility of information collected and sources giving the information in the case of investigative sources is of utmost importance and needs to be doubly verified. Certain investigative stories may require the help of other professionals like lawyers, accountants, etc. Help from such professionals should be sought to avoid jargon and provide a comprehensive and credible story to the readers. Dear learners, let us conclude this module, and I do believe that after completion of this module, you will be able to understand about the writing process and the relevance of inverted pyramid style of writing. It will also provide an overview of the various methods of news gathering and then writing process involved. It will also provide crucial elements of improving the article by editing and revising the stories. And the learner will have insight on the different columns that are part of everyday newspapers and how these stories are written differently from others in terms of tone, language, and content. You will be able to distinguish between journalistic writing from fiction writing. Thank you.